All right, y'all, Prime Supreme back with another video. About to drop one on you guys that just may be a little bit hard to swallow. I got a text message from an individual. And so this is how this works. You text me for help, 732-947-1988. I respond back. Briefly give me an idea what your situation is. I'll tell you if I can help you or not. If I tell you I can help you, I'm expecting to move forward with payment, and then we start. I'm in the process of the individual now. And I am going to tell you guys this. I understand and I realize that I am wired different. I am not scared of nothing. And I'm damn sure not scared of no mortal. I am 53 years old. I'll be 54 in another month. I'm not scared of no mortal. I'm scared of cancer. I'm scared of Father Time. I'm scared of poverty. I'm scared of debt. I'm not scared of no individual. I don't do nothing, so I don't ever need to throw myself at the mercy of the court. Too many times, what is required for you to bust through the fuckery, if you will, is you gotta strip yourself of being scared. 98% of all of my clients were scared. I have the daunting task of breaking fathers when they call me. The narrative and the perspective of the mother is going to win and the judge is going to do me wrong is in y'all heads thick. So let me break something down to you. I can only help you if you're pissed off and mad. And if I tell you something and you counter it with, well, if I do that, they're going to do that, then you're not ready for me to help you. You're not. The thought, what was going through my head when I went through to a hearing officer, and the hearing officer tells you they're going to make a recommendation, blah, 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 and then getting a piece of paper in the mail telling me that I only have my daughter 3 hours a day, that threw me into a rage. I could have killed somebody. I'm not going to no court ever throwing myself at the mercy. I'm not respecting no judge that is working against Title D, which is a system that says they make money by me not having a relationship with my child. Now, I didn't know that's what it was at the time, but I constantly asked myself, something ain't right here. I'm not doing anything wrong, and they're just screwing me. So I went to school for law and found out. That's part of my, no, nobody put a pole in my hole. I ain't getting no pole in my hole. No, but serious. People, I don't know what y'all going through. I don't know what's in your head. Excuse me. Let me back that up. I don't know what's in your head. I don't know how a father could be scared. I just don't. I don't. I can help you when I tell you something, when I quarterback you something, and you run with it. And you run with flow. You run with velocity. You run with enthusiasm. You run like I told that judge, the next time y'all invite me to this courthouse, put the key to the building in the letter. I'll be the first one here. You guys, you lose because you allowed them to tell you you failed. I'm not trying to hear that. Listen, I didn't hear this statement at the time, but this fits my narrative to the T. In the very first Avengers, when Tony Stark went to Stark Tower and Loki was there, and Tony Stark was telling Loki, Because, took us a while to catch some traction. I give you that. You and the stick of death there, you kind of got us. And then Tony Stark proceeded to tell Loki, you're going to lose. We're going to win. Now he said, and then Loki said, please explain to me where my demise. You know how Loki talked. And he said, well, first we got the two master assassins, and then there's your brother and you managed to piss off all of them. And then Loki said, I have the Chitauri. Tony said, we have a Hulk. And then Tony said, no, you don't understand. There's no version of this where you're going to win. That's my attitude. I'd rather die than the judge win. There's no version of me losing. I don't have a relationship with my daughter today, not based on what the courts did. My daughter started to fuck me. So I said, I can't fight you when I'm fighting for you. Another story. I can help just about anybody if you listen. If you do not question me. You guys don't understand how the system works. You can simply ask a question that can turn your whole situation around. Because when the judge answers it, it puts it on record and it's like, got you. I got you. So when you call me up or when you text me, I got you.